right? It doesn't matter. It's fine. It'll work the same way.
Yeah.
And you want the higher volume, which is right. Right, that's what you want to see.
Yeah. So like 10 o'clock, no.
Okay, so you're still waiting to get that payout. That first payout. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something exciting. Well, I have something. I'm saying we. So no one else is here. I have something very exciting to share with you guys. I ended up buying a lot of people's dream car. It's cooler than I thought it was, if I'm being 100% honest. We'll get into that later on in the video. Right now, I just finished getting off the charts, just finished trading for the day. Took absolutely no trades to figure out how I'm gonna pay this car note. But I have to take a call really quickly with a inner circle member of mine. So we're gonna hop on that. We have a couple cool stuff planned. I wanna show y'all what I got for Christmas too. This is the first video of 2025 as well. So welcome, I'm glad you all made it to 2025. But I have some Christmas gifts I wanna share with y'all because I got some pretty nice gifts. Obviously, I bought my wife some good stuff for Christmas. Hopefully y'all had a great Christmas. But enough talking, let's get into this. Say hi to the camera. Baby, you want the baby to say hi to the camera? Her toy room is a complete mess right now. Like, we just got her this for Christmas, this little bouncy thingy, and she has a ball pit. Okay, first of all, this room right here in our house was supposed to be a movie room. If y'all didn't know, we're having another baby. They'll be coming in April. This room right here was supposed to be a movie room, but somehow it's turned into a toy room and it's an absolute freaking mess. Obviously right now we have to clean it up. It's just, she's been in here all day. But I don't think I'm ever gonna get my movie room, at least not in this house. What are you screaming for? Do you have food in your mouth? Let me see. You know you're not supposed to play with food in your mouth. You have to sit down and eat your banana. So you have to be safe, okay? Do you wanna be safe? Or do you want a banana? So be safe, sit down. Favor, you're not being safe right now. If I'm being honest with you, you're not being safe. This watch right here, my wife bought me this. I picked it out a couple months ago because I said I wanted to start getting into watches. I don't really have any vices. I know I told y'all I got the car or whatever. I really don't care nothing about cars. I don't really care about clothes. I don't care about majority of stuff. Only thing I care about is like a nice place to live or a nice place to lay my head. So like a nice resort, nice hotel, things like that. But I really want to try getting into watches. So I think I could. And I know a lot about watches just because people around me are into watches. And like on social media, I follow a lot of people that are into watches, so I know a lot about them. So I want to try getting into watches. So my wife bought me my first kind of luxury watch. It was a Cartier Santos. This is like the all black one. And I like the rubber strap on it. It's just something simple, something chill, an everyday wear kind of thing. So that's what she bought me for Christmas. She also bought me these earrings right here. Dang, all up in my face.
Sorry, it's a wide lens.
But yeah, she bought me these earrings as well, which is cool. Dusty's mom bought me some Hermes cologne. Favor, what are you doing? My wife, I bought her a Chanel bag, a Chanel purse, I should say, 3 Van Cleef bracelets. And what else? That's it? Oh, and I gave her a baby. Yeah.
What color was the bracelet?
Bracelets, she got 3. And crazy thing is, she has not worn a single one of them yet. And it's like 2 weeks past Christmas. Sounds like a waste of money to me. Sounds like a waste of money to me. Anyway, so I got her one, it's silver, like the silver shiny one. I got her another one that's golden pink. And then the third one is, what is the third one? Oh, and pearl. It's like a pearl and gold kind of thing. It's really nice. I bought her a tan Chanel classic bag that has like silver whatever's on it, accents on it. And I never bought her any silver jewelry, so I had to buy her that. And Favor got 100 million things for Christmas, filled up the toy room. Doesn't have space in the house. We actually have a bag of toys to give away. If you guys know somewhere where we should give away these toys, let me know, because we need to give away a lot of these toys. Christmas was great, no complaints at all. For New Year's, honestly, we didn't do anything. I think we bought some fireworks, we lit it in the backyard, and then we have like a group chat text thread that has all the neighbors in it. And when we were lighting them, Destiny checked her phone and somebody had texted and said, "Are fireworks at this time really necessary?" Because we didn't do it on New Year's Eve. We did it New Year's Day because we were late.
At 8 o'clock because I wanted to be respectful.
Yeah, it wasn't that late, but still. Favor, how you trying to flash yourself on the camera? Calm down. What are you doing? Come here. What the heck are you doing, Favor? Are you trying to make a fool of me? Boom, baby. She back. Thank you, beautiful. We got some avocado toast. You have to explain your meal.
Just some avocado toast.
You have to make it sound more fancy. Come on.
We have sourdough bread
With put a French accent on.
I'm not French.
Freshly baked, freshly made with eggs, eau de creme.
What's eau de creme?
No idea.
Isn't that cream?
Don't worry about it. They don't know what
Like
it means
creamy
either.
eggs.
They don't know what it means either. So it
Okay,
doesn't
and then
matter.
yeah, it's just avocados with honey.
Thank you.
Josiah loves sweetness on everything, so he loves honey on his avocado toast.
Yeah, it's
Pretty
really
good though. I
It is
tasted
really
it
good.
when you made it.
If y'all had avocado toast before, try putting some honey on it.
And
You're welcome.
fun fact, I got this meal from Josiah. Which
Yeah,
is
I made it
probably
for her
one
one
of the only. This is the only meal I ever made that I got from you.
Why are you lying?
So this is his creation, but it's really good.
She act like I haven't taught her everything she knows. All right, y'all, I'm finna eat this, then we finna go.
She's messing with your watch.
What? Hey, bro, leave this alone. All right, y'all, I'm about to eat this, and then I'll catch up with y'all after. All right, y'all, so here we are in front of my new G63 2023 G-Wagon. This thing is, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I got it because I like being higher up off the floor. You guys know I've been driving a Tesla for the past 4 years. I wanted to be higher off the ground, and I test drove a Bravis in Dubai. You guys probably saw that video, and it was super cool. So I was like, when I get home, I'm gonna get a freaking G-Wagon. So I got home, a week later, I got a G-Wagon. This one is super cool. I just wanna show y'all it. Realistically, it's just it came like this, so the satin black paint job on it. Keep in mind, I'm not a car person at all, so I'm not gonna get into the specs or nothing. I'm gonna just show y'all the regular stuff that everybody would know about. It's black, right? Matte black, really nice. Inside, the interior is all red. It's not like the black and red stitching, it's all red. It has every single option available that you could have on a 2023 G63 AMG G-Wagon. Has a carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber details, whatever like that. Carbon fiber door stuff. Side note, I don't know why people love carbon fiber. Car people love carbon fiber. I don't see the point. I think carbon fiber looks like plastic to me. I don't know. That's just me personally. Sorry, the car's a little dirty. It's been raining here in Houston, so. Black rims. It's really nice. I can't lie to you. Like when I was picking it up, I wasn't super excited about buying it because it was just another car. And you guys know, like I mentioned before in the vlog, I'm not a car person at all. I was super excited when I got my Tesla. Like I couldn't sleep the night before, but getting this car, I was just like, yeah, I'm just picking up the car. But now driving it for the past 2 weeks or so, it's grown on me. It's really nice. It sounds really good too. Keep in mind, I'm so used to having a completely silent car that now driving this, it sounds like I'm driving a freaking Hellcat. It sounds like I'm driving a Lambo. I'm not talking about a regular Lambo. I'm talking about SVJ with the exhaust pipes cut off. That's what it sounds like I'm driving. Is that a thing? Oh, it's not a thing. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what else to say. A lot of people wanted to see the car because I never really talked about it because it was just like a car to me. It's super cool if you're able to purchase a G-Wagon and have the funds to be able to do it. This car, right on like how much it costs, is like $216,000, but that's including taxes or whatever. I think sticker price or whatever it's called was $199.99 or something crazy like that. Basically $200,000. If you can afford to have something like this, it is really nice. This is a lot of people's dream cars. To me, I've never really had a dream car because I've never been into cars. My hands in my pocket, it's freaking cold here. But it's cool. I go out. Every single time I go somewhere, when people see me walk into the car, like, bro, nice car, or that's my dream car. Or somebody was parked on the side of me and they were like, how the heck did you buy that? I'm like, I don't know, I just got lucky. Is this considered a luxury car? What's it considered? Luxury SUV? 10 out of 10 recommend. I actually really like the car, even though I wasn't too excited about it. All right, so we just pulled up to the Pew Pew store. I need to buy myself a new Pew Pew. I don't know if I can say that word on YouTube. I need to buy myself a new Nerf gun. So we're gonna see. You said the G word though. But I said Nerf in front of it. So now it's like a tour review kind of video because I said Nerf gun instead of whatever
Can you
else.
say weapon of mass
I think
destruction?
weapon of mass destruction is crazy. I have not, dang, I didn't even know it was carbon fiber up here. I've never noticed this. Did I mention every upgrade possible? Did I mention that? Did I mention the sunroof? Did I mention, I have no idea how to open this. Did I mention that it could open if I wanted it to? Let's go. All right, so right now picked out one that I like, filling out some background check information. Then we're gonna see if we can take this, maybe go to the range. So I picked up one, I'll show y'all it when we get out the store. I don't know if they allow recording inside here. I don't wanna do anything to make them mad because they're all strapped. So yeah, we'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
They feel like hard sandpaper.
Yeah. It doesn't fall out of your grip.
At all. It has a nice weight to it too.
Yeah.
We have gotten ourselves, I completely forgot the name of this thing already, but it is a Canik Mete MC9L. Honestly, the top one that you can personally have. It has all of the additions that you could get On a gun. She said it was one of her favorites. I'm not big into guns. I just have them before because literally everybody in freaking Texas has them. So I have a couple just in case. Y'all ever seen the comedy short special that Kevin Hart did? He was like, gun compartment. I'm taking a poop, but let's say someone wants to break in. Gun compartment.
Oh, shit. This how you gonna do me? You gonna rob me in the guest bathroom? Just let me wipe my ass one last time. Gun compartment.
Don't ever think you can catch me slipping. I got a gun compartment in the gun compartment. All Nerf guns, that's what we're talking about, YouTube. So I think we're gonna go to the range right now, try and test this baby out, see how it shoots, see what it does. Let's do it, fresh out the box. I ain't even take the box off yet. We finna see how this go. Wish me luck. This was a warning shot, that was a warning shot, that was a warning shot. All right, I got 10 opportunities. I'm gonna try and hit his stomach, bottom stomach. So I realized I couldn't tell where the heck the bullets was going because there's so many of them. I tried aiming for places where I ain't see no bullet holes at, but I don't remember where there wasn't no bullet holes at, but I was aiming like over here, the bottom left corner of it. One connected, out of one. One of one connected, the rest all the way up there. I was going for 7 the entire time. All right, so we finished up at the gun range, absolutely shot beautifully. A lot of people think I was in the military, army, like for 30 years and stuff.
The guy was like, you were in Navy SEAL or something?
Yeah, he kept asking me stuff like that. I don't know why. But remember I told you I like the way this car sounds? Just listen, listen. The Lamb truck, baby. Come on, this is a Lamb truck. I hope they heard that and it doesn't just sound like a Anyways, y'all, we on the way back to the cribbo right now. I'm actually about to load up this gun. I gotta clean it out and then put it in its home. What are you doing?
Asian lady calling it. I knew it, see?
Yo, racist!
She was!
It doesn't make it not racist. She was Asian and she was on her phone too. So.
She was, bro.
Yeah, that's a crazy statement, bro. Anyways, so y'all at the crib skis. All right, so we're back at the crib now. I was able to do everything I had to do for the rest of the day. Right now it is 3:30 in the afternoon, as you can not see because my screen is off. 3:30 in the afternoon here. My day is basically over. I really have nothing else to do for the day, so I'm about to just chill, watch some TV, maybe play some video games. I don't know. We'll see. That's the cool thing about being a day trader is, honestly, I finished all of my work at whatever, 9 o'clock this morning. And then I just went to the Nerf gun store, shot a couple reels, really just nothing. That's the cool thing about being a day trader. You can really just do nothing. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to learn how to start day trading, I made this video right here. It's a completely free 2.5-hour course that teaches you everything you need to know about day trading. Watch it right there. You have no excuses. 2025, it's time to lock in. And I gave you no excuse to do it. I gave you the best way to do it in 2025. I'll see you in that video.